Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started. So I'm starting off with my primer to prime my face before I apply the foundation. And the foundation that I'll be using, the usual, the L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade Deep Golden. And I'm using my beauty blender to apply it. So now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Chestnut. I'm gonna conceal under my eyes, the cupid's bow, the chin, the bridge of my nose, and the forehead. So because this is an everyday makeup look, I went for that natural highlighting. So I just want to conceal. So now I'm gonna set my concealer with the Yadley loose powder, and I mixed like two loose powders. It's the Cappuccino one and the Absolute translucent one. Now to contour, I'm using the Elegant face powder in the shade Cocoa. And now I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm now highlighting my face using the Wow Shimmer Highlighter. So I'm gonna highlight my cheeks. This highlighter is really nice, guys. The Cupid's bow, and then the bridge of my nose, and above my eyebrows. So now I'm gonna set my face with the MOD setting spray. So to line my eye waterline, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild eyeliner in the shade black, and I'm gonna later go in with the Avon Colortrend Boost It mascara. So to line my lips, I'm using a brown actually an eyebrow pencil, but I use it to light my lips, and it's brown. So, and I'm gonna use my Avon lip gloss, the Colortrend one, in the shade Star Pink. Now I am doing the head wrap. Oh my goodness, I look angry. I'm not angry, you guys, just that I'm ugly. That's all. I'm not angry. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.